Stop. If you're thinking about buying VisualSpark AI, there's something you need to know first. VisualSpark AI is world's first all-in-one AI visual studio, giving you lifetime access to 100+ premium AI models that create stunning images, cinematic videos, talking avatars, product promos, anime art, fantasy worlds and more, all from a single command. No design skills, no multiple subscriptions, no monthly fees. You type one command, and the AI instantly generates scroll-stopping visuals, cinematic clips, talking avatars or product promos. Then you download, share or sell them directly to clients. So here's the big question: is VisualSpark AI really the future of visual creation, or just another hype launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what VisualSpark AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab VisualSpark AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $999 absolutely free. What is VisualSpark AI? It's a complete AI visual studio that replaces dozens of tools. Text to image and text to video, AI image to video and image to image transformations. 70+ styles: anime, comic, cyberpunk, 3D, cinematic, fantasy, talking avatars with natural lip sync, product mock-ups and promo videos, AI outfit changer and fashion visuals, ultra upscaler for HD quality and commercial license included. Benefits: why people are interested. All in one studio, replace 10+ tools with one platform. Cost savings: save $1,500 per month instantly. Unlimited creativity: create fantasy worlds, cinematic clips, anime art, and more. Commercial license: sell visuals to clients and keep 100% profit. Inside VisualSpark AI you're getting access to 100+ AI models: Google, Flux, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Kling, Runway, social media content studio for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, YouTube, commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: complete AI visual studio, not just an image generator, beginner-friendly, no design skills required, unlimited visuals, unlimited niches and commercial license for agencies and freelancers. Cons: no guaranteed income, results depend on your effort and clients. Results: what to expect. Expect faster content creation, more engagement and multiple income streams. Freelancers: sell visuals on Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, and Botto. VisualSpark AI turns every idea into a ready-to-sell visual asset that clients pay $100 to $500 plus for. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab through the link below. Bonus 1 Client Visual Business Kit, value $499, interactive app that generates client proposals and pricing instantly. Bonus 2 AI Visual Profit Blueprint, value $500, step-by-step guide to monetize VisualSpark AI and scale into multiple income streams. Total bonus value $999, yours free when you get VisualSpark AI through my link today. So, is VisualSpark AI worth it? If you want to stop juggling multiple AI tools and start creating cinematic visuals, talking avatars, and viral content in minutes, then yes, VisualSpark AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure VisualSpark AI plus my $999 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.